Hi my dear friends, welcome to my channel Noella Creations. If you have never tasted sweet fluffy Mangalore buns, then this recipe is a must try. In a mixer jar, add 4 peeled ripe bananas. Cover with a lid and grind. Then transfer it into a bowl. Add 1.5 tablespoon of curd. Add half teaspoon of baking soda. Add 1/4 teaspoon of salt. 1.5 tablespoon of sugar. 1/4 teaspoon of cumin seeds. Mix well and break if any lumps are formed. Add 1/8 teaspoon of turmeric powder. Mix it well. Add 1.5 cup of flour in batches. Mix after every addition. Then if you find the dough too sticky, then add flour as required. Or if you find the dough dry, add curd. Add little oil and knead. Apply oil on the dough. By the way, if you like this video, do give it a like, share it with your family and friends, and subscribe for more recipes. Make sure to click on the bell icon to get notified the moment I upload a new video, so that you don't miss any of my videos. Cover with a plate and let it rest for 3.5 hours or until it is double in size. Then knead it again. Cut portions of the dough and shape into round balls. Ensure that they are smooth without any cracks. Sprinkle flour and roll. Heat oil in a kadai and deep fry. Pat at the edges to puff it up. Once one side is puffed up, flip it to fry the other side also. These buns turned out so soft, slightly sweet, beautifully golden and delicious. The natural sweetness of banana and the airy texture makes them perfect for tea time. Thank you for being here. See you soon in my next video. Sending you calmness and good wishes always.